Hi guys, I'm back today with another unboxing. This is just going to be really quick. There's not a lot in there. It's just one wig and just a few little accessories. And actually, it's more of an unpackaging. It's just one of those bubble mailers today. There's always this little sticker. This one says, "Pretty things inside." Sometimes she'll change this up, but scissors are not wanting to cut very well today. So we have Atlantis to check out today. Of course, the free gift. And there'll be, some caps and what have you in there. A little receipt card. Coupon card. Okay, this is the Styles by Soma Lollipop. So she has a bunch of different lollipops on the website, and a lot of them are different, colors, different patterns. But she actually had these made to say Styles by Soma. It comes with like a little ribbon on it. Super cute. This one says cotton candy. Lollipops are always so hard to open. Any kind of sucker. They always have that plastic completely twisted around. Okay. Looks like there's little black beads or something almost. It smells really good. I know the last one, it was really real mild. It didn't have much of a scent to it, but this definitely smells good. Yeah, it has a good flavor. It's cotton candy like it says. It's still kind of mild. It's not overly sweet or anything, but it's definitely, I think, a better flavor for me personally than the last one. The last one just a little too mild for me, but this is really, really done well. Okay, now this is the brand new Lash Glue. It says Styles by Soma right on it. She still has the other one, I believe the Kiss brand. I had gotten that in black recently, but I went ahead and got her brand in the clear. Hopefully this will work better for me. And then I got the gold applicator. That's nice. It comes in this little plastic case. And again, it says Styles by Soma right on it. So it's super cute. And this will hopefully just, make it easier to pick up your lashes and put them on and fix them how you need. And then the last things are just these bracelets. I picked out this one. This was the Tiger Eye, Black Tourmaline, Clear Quartz, Rose Quartz, Amethyst, and Lapis Lazuli. I can't quite read the last word, but So I picked this one, and there was a special deal going on where you got a second one for free. So this is the turquoise. I like this one because it kind of looks like a like robin's egg blue color. But yeah, so buy one get one free. That was going on. Typically, I don't think I've ever seen that deal in the few months that I've been on there. So that was the first time I saw that. So that was nice. She had that at least 2 different times she brought back recently. But I don't believe it's available now. I'm pretty sure they're back to regular price. But then that's just when you would use my code Brandy, and you get 20% off on the bracelets. So there's the free hair clips. Instruction card and the caps. So this is Atlantis. It's a red and it has some gray in there as well. It's kind of hard to, it's almost maybe like a soft black, almost dark brown. It's not quite a true black. I'm actually going to wear this today, so I will just go ahead and cut this lace right off. Sometimes when you first get it, you can kind of just, you know, shake it out. It's been sitting in the box a little bit, so you can already see this is so pretty with these curls and those colors. Super unique. Okay, so for me personally, I just go ahead and take a regular pair of scissors usually, push some of those hairs back a little bit, and I just snip right in the center. So I go back pretty close to that hairline, but not all the way. And when you first start, you know, you can only make, you know, a small little clip right at the front. Clip a whole piece back and then go forward again, you know, cut another piece. Do it just a little at a time if you're worried about it, but I always just go right back to that hairline and I do one half and then go back and do the other half. But even with that, there's so many different ways. I've seen so many different videos of people, you know, cutting it different types of ways. Some put it right over like a wig head and they cut it that way. Some still hold it, but they hold it more like upside down. Some people wet the hairs, like the baby hairs, and push that back so they stay back better. It's just all your preference, but either way, it's really not that hard at all. Just takes a minute or two. So I've already got that piece cut off. And then when you run your fingers through, see there was one little strand there, but so you'll see just a little bit of hair, not a big deal. Now I'll do the other one. And again, even if you end up, you know, cutting it and you put it on and you might realize like, oh, I missed a spot, just take it off and quick, you know, cut that spot back off. Like I can already tell I left a lot more right in this little spot than I did over here. Now this is the one comb in the back, 2 in the front. It has this whole entire, like, not a lace cap, just kind of like this hard, like, not hard, but just like a little bit thicker, just like black space. I believe it's the same way on Gratified, actually, even though Gratified has the bangs and this one doesn't. This still has that same type of top, but it has that fixed curved part in there, and then the rest is the open wefting. So for your cap, again, you're just going to want to put it on, tuck your hair back. I just fold my hair back up, basically, and then just kind of smush it in there the best you can. And make sure you're, you know, putting some to the right, some to the left. And then I just kind of, you know, push it around a little bit so it's not so bulged out. And it'll work just fine. And then I usually push this back to show a little bit of my own hair. Now this one doesn't have a lot of stretch, so I'll probably go ahead and undo that adjustable strap in the back. Sometimes they like to stick on there. Almost had it. Okay. So I always just, especially if there's a comb, that's easy to know. The comb goes right in the center of your neck. And then you just move it up to your hairline. And there you go. You're ready to go for the day. Super easy. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I love that red. I love that there's this little gray highlights in there with the dark roots to start. And I think because I have, you know, kind of that bulge of hair, it makes it go a little bit shorter back here. I'm only about almost 5'3", so that gives you an idea. It might, you know, be maybe a tiny bit longer on you if you're shorter, or it might be a little shorter on you if you're taller. It all just depends. And then your head size kind of, you know, depends on that as well. But, yeah, so this was, again, Atlantis. I didn't check before I came on. I'm pretty sure it had sold out, but then I think it was back on special order last I knew. So there may still be some available. If it's not available today, it should come back. This is a brand new style, was just debuted within the last few weeks. So it'll probably be back again if it's not there right now. So just keep checking, or check out all of the other amazing styles she has. There's tons on the website, well over 400 on the site. So definitely something for everyone. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another unboxing sometime within the next couple of days. I'm supposed to get another package with, I believe, 3 wigs. So I'll open those up. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.